like using Instaframe, and I like to use hand gesture, but I don't have the option to use hand gesture in Instaframe. I have to use the mic instead. One of the mics you can use with the X5 but does not have remote control on off or noise cancelling would be the Boya Mic 5 or the Boya Mic 1 or the Magics. And maybe that Snap-on truck and you heard the diesel engine would be a lot more quieter. Yeah, the Boya Magic 01 or 05 should be an awesome mic indeed. Maybe one day this work will get done. They've been here last year and this year again, redoing. Can't use the twist. I could use the remote only and no gesture, even though it says gesture on there. And here we are, riding along Scooter. You need to have two clamps no matter what you use. If it's an Insta360, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Even if it's a DJI Osmo all-in-one 360. I don't have that one yet. I'll probably get the Boya mic over a DJI 360. Already got a 360 camera. I really don't need to have another one in hand. Talk about the Insta360 Mic Air. It's a remote control. It has noise canceling. And yeah, I got a mic muff on it. It's got a nice large magnet that fits on the pendant. It does have a rope lanyard strap included, but limitations to the length. Depending on the length you need, it goes around your neck. Smooth surface. Then you're able to get a nice ride. I'm on a flat free wheel system, 10 inches, and they give a hard ride. They're not soft like regular tires. You feel every bounce and bump, even though you have a shock system. It makes it a little harder for an action camera like a 360 to do its job. Well, that's why I got the double clamp, 2 clamps, and one is broken, but I still can use it in a way that holds the support of the selfie stick. I got a 2-meter stick. I don't need a 3-meter stick, but it'd be nice to have a 3-meter stick if I wanted that extra length. Here it is, as you can see it. As long as I'm in view of Instaframe, anything behind me you'll see. Well, I am here in my favorite spot today, which I like. Some people remember the shots I shot at a park around the corner, picking an uprooted tree. Oh yeah, I could go back, try to find those videos. I know those days I remember. Do you need a camera shot that's this long, be far out? How does it look to you? Well, you're looking at this way here. Do you see the clamps, the poles in view? I think I am 1 or maybe 2 from the camera's angle that don't work. It just don't work with Instaframe. Did I do something wrong? 2 meters out. Oh yeah, get rid of that bug that was just following me. Is it smooth? Is it doing its job? What happens if I go off-road? Is it going to be bumpy? Yeah, that's why I don't like using sticks that far out. Some people, they break their cameras going too fast. and they don't have a cage. I don't crank down, and I don't ride fast, and I try to be careful with my 360. So let's get on going. I don't think I'm going to do any editing, but the right file, the MP4 file that is. Yeah, I'm all over the place. See what happens when I make this turn. Got a little bump in the grass. Here we go. Now, I don't love the bends in the camera. Not a fan of it. But at least it's out there, going far. I'm going to do a review of a scooter just like this. So I am getting a little hang of it. And I got to pick a spot and get it done. There I am. I'm going to bring you back in and get you where you need to be at, close by. It's not 90-degree level. It's off on an angle, almost like 11 o'clock, about 11:30 that is. I hope I made sense. I hope I gave a good talk. I hope I gave a good share with what I got. So let's get on going and get on moving. Now there is a song, Voices Carry, and that's what my voice did. It carried along. The person saw me, oh, watch the bounce, watch the tree. Sometimes a good bounce is good for you. So let's pull over to the side and lower you back down and bring you back in. If you forget to crank down, you get a bumpy ride. And that's what has happened on this last shot. Now there is a gentleman, he was asking me a question. Would it be worth for him to get a 360X5 with what you do? Well, 360, you could do car rides, stick it out the window, stick it out the sunroof, put it on the back of the trunk, put it on the hood of the car, put it on the side of the car, and you'll get those shots. You get many different angles. Use the mic gear to control it. So on that note, let's get on going. I think it's worth it, depending on if you want to spend a lot of money. But if you don't want to spend money, you feel like you're not going to have a lot of fun with it, then look at the Picasso 360. The Picasso was $169. It's $199. I think $199 is a lot better than spending too much money. At least you get a large screen to look at it. I don't like shooting long videos. I don't like leaving the camera run for a long time. I basically do about a minute long or so, 2 minutes or so. Well, here I am. I'm just going to continue the ride in the MP4 file and shoot what I want to shoot. I know when I want to go get a 360 shot and get a front shot of this, then I'm going to have to go into Insta Studio and use the 5.7K, which is a 1080p file, to match Instaframe's 1080p. I'm Fish. It's been a pleasure. Have a great day. And we'll catch you on the next one. Just like that. The next Insta 360 frame, that is the X5.